Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 7 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are imperative mood. So, what do you mean by imperative mood here? Imperative mood means when we order somebody or request somebody, advise somebody, in that way we say it's an imperative mood. When we ask somebody, command somebody about something or order somebody, maybe a teacher is ordering the student or commanding student, or a senior authority commanding the junior authority or junior person, or you can say somebody is requesting. All these moods come in the category of imperative mood. So let us study few sentences about this mood so that you can learn how to just use these sentences in day-to-day life. Let us start with the first one. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. So जैसी आपकी मर्जी. Marzi is whatever you like, as per your desire. So as you please. Here you can say as you like or as you please. Marzi is as per your desire, as per your requirement, as per your liking. So in that way, जैसी आपकी मर्जी. That means as you please. When we ask somebody that he or she should come again, we stress when somebody come to our house, we usually say do come again. That means फिर ज़रूर आना. That means come, do come again. We stress on this. So फिर ज़रूर आना. ज़रूर is, it is mandatory. It is very much required. So आना, that is come. फिर, that means again. So do come again. So in this way, it is again a request to come again to your house. This kind of request we make to our guests usually. So do come again. Don't beat about the bush and come to the point. That means stop rambling and come to the point. What does it mean? It means don't go beyond other matters or don't try to touch other matters. Whatever is being talked, just talk about that. In Hindi we say असली बात पर आओ, इधर उधर की बातें छोड़ो. So that means do come on the right topic that is required to be talked about. Don't go on different talks or useless talks which are not required. So don't talk about those matters. Just come on the main topic. In English we say don't beat about the bush and come to the main point, or stop rambling and come to the point. In Hindi we have असली बात पर आओ, इधर उधर की बातें छोड़ो. That means असली बात is main point. So come to main point. इधर उधर, that is useless talks which are not required. छोड़ो, that means leave it. So don't beat about the bush and come to the point. Sometimes we say to our juniors or small children when they are not behaving in a right manner or they are behaving childishly, we say don't be silly. That is, don't behave childishly. That means पागल मत बनो. Silly is पागल in Hindi. So that means पागल मत बनो. Take this medicine. That means यह दवाई लो. दवाई is what? Medicine. So take this medicine. That means यह दवाई लो. So these are the two sentences we usually order as a command. We use them. Don't be silly, that is pagal mat bano. Take this medicine. When we ask somebody to have the medicine or take the dose of the day, so we say take this medicine or यह दवाई लो. This is यह दवाई medicine. Take, that means लो. So take this medicine. यह दवाई लो. Follow me. When we want to say somebody that come to me or follow me, whatever I am doing, just follow me. So you say मेरे पीछे आओ. That means follow me or come to me. Work while you work, play while you play. That is काम के समय काम करो, खेल के समय खेलो. That is whenever work is required, work that time, and when playings or you are required to play, so play at that time. So work while you work and play while you play. In Hindi we say काम. Work is काम. काम के समय काम करो, खेल के समय खेलो. So work while you work, play while you play. उसे जाने दो. उसे is for third person. जाने, that is go. दो. So again ordering, let him go. उसे जाने दो. Don't care about him or let him go wherever he wants to go. We can say let him go, and in Hindi we say उसे जाने दो. उसे जाने दो. If you ask somebody to vacate the place, if he has occupied the chair or the sofa or anything else, we can say vacate the place. That is, just leave that place so that another one can sit there or somebody else can sit there. So vacate the place. That is, जगह खाली करो. That means vacate the place. What does it mean? जगह खाली करो. Next one, hold your tongue. That is, जुबान पर काबू रखो. That is, don't speak useless or senseless words. Don't speak such useless sentences or useless words which are senseless. So hold your tongue. That is, keep a control on your tongue. Tongue is जुबान. Hold is काबू. जुबान पर काबू रखो. That means hold your tongue. Don't speak wrong or senseless words. Fax it. That means when we are ordering somebody to fax important documents or anything to other person, we say fax it. That means इसे fax कर दो. What does it mean? इसे fax कर दो. That means fax it. संपर्क बनाए रखिएगा. That is, please keep in touch. So when we say don't lose a contact, just keep in touch, please keep in touch, in that time we say do keep in touch, so that we can have a talk later on also. In that time we say please keep in touch. That means संपर्क बनाए रखिएगा. संपर्क is in contact. So you're requesting somebody that he should be in contact with you, he or she should be in contact with you. So please keep in touch. Have faith in yourself. That means अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो. Faith is भरोसा. अपने आप, that is yourself. अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो. That means have faith in yourself. That means believe yourself and have faith in yourself that you can do it. When you want to praise somebody or motivate somebody, we use this kind of sentence that do have faith in yourself, you can do it, don't worry, you will be able to do it. So these type of sentences we use to motivate sometimes. अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो. Mind your own business. That is, when somebody is forcibly trying to enter into your talks or trying to enter into your things, so you say just mind your own business. That is, just mind your own business. अपने आप से, अपने काम से काम रखो. That is, mind your own business. So mind your own business. That is, अपने काम से काम रखो. So don't indulge in others, don't interfere in others, just mind your own business. That is, अपने काम से काम रखो. If somebody is in bad mood or he's not happy or something like that, or he's not talking to you properly, you sometimes say speak your mind. That is, अपने मन की बात कहो. That is, whatever is there in your mind, you're not feeling well or you're not happy because of some other matter, or what is the reason behind this kind of behavior. So speak your mind. That means अपने मन की बात कहो. So do speak up whatever is there in your mind. Donate generously. That is, दिल खोल कर दान दे. That is, whatever you want to donate, with open arms, generously donate it. That means दिल खोल कर दान दे. दान is donate. दिल खोल कर, that is generously, that is with open arms. Don't think whatever you are giving or donating, don't think about that, just generously donate it. Please help me. That is, कृपया मेरी सहायता करें. That is, do help me out. I require your help. So please help me. That is, कृपया मेरी सहायता करें. Please help me. That is कृपया. Please is कृपया. Help me. Help is सहायता. Me मेरी. So please help me. That is कृपया मेरी सहायता करें. Be careful. That is सावधानी से काम लो. That means be careful about things. Carefully work on the things. Careful is सावधानी. सावधानी से काम लो. That is be careful about the things. That is सावधानी से काम लो. Lend me your hand. That is I require your help. So just lend me a hand of help to me. In हिंदी भी से ज़रा हाथ लगाना. That is lend a hand of help to me. समझने की कोशिश करो. That is try to understand. Understand is समझना. कोशिश try. So try to understand things. That means समझने की कोशिश करो. That is all for this session in which you have learnt about imperative mood, where we order somebody, command somebody, request somebody, advise somebody, wish somebody. These all things are in imperative mood, which we often use in our day-to-day life in different aspects, in different matters. So these sentences will help you learn Hindi better and converse them in your day-to-day routine. So you can revise them again and again to learn Hindi sentences better and can use them in your daily life. That is all for this session by now. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.